Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Come on the page number 53, lesson number 7, the three butterfly brothers. What is the learning point of this lesson? Remain with your friends or siblings in good and bad times. Siblings means bhavanda. Your brother and a sister together called as a sibling. What this learning point is, we should always remain with our friend in good time and also in bad time. Okay, never be selfish and only look for our own good. Sometimes what happens, we sometimes become very selfish and think about ourselves only. We do not think about the other. So it is not good. We should always think about the other. And we should not be selfish and only look for our own good. We should look for other good also. Okay? So let's begin this story with match the insect with their names and circle the ones that you have seen. This thing you should do by yourself. Okay? What is this? See the picture. What is this and this? Do you recognize these animals? These are insects. What are these? Small insect. Do you know who are these? The names are given. Grasshopper, honeybee and dragonfly. Can you tell me which is the grasshopper here? Green color. You know that grasshopper is in a green color. So this is a grasshopper. Have you seen honeybee? This is a honeybee. And what is this third? This is a dragonfly. In Marathi we say bhingri. The lesson which we are going to learn now, it is about butterflies. Siblings of butterfly. Okay? And let's see what this lesson tells us. Once there were three little butterfly brothers. How many butterflies were there? Three. Three little butterfly brothers. They were siblings. What they were? Siblings. Siblings means bhavand. Teen bhau. Butterflies with teen bhau means here in Marathi we can say bhavand. Okay? Siblings. One white, one red and one yellow. They played in the sunshine and danced among the flowers in the garden. How many brothers are here? Three brothers. किती भाऊ आहेत? तीन butterfliesचे भाऊ आहेत. And what are the color? The first one is white. एक white रंगाचं, एक red रंगाचं आणि एक येलो रंगाचे असे तीन बटरफ्लायचे भाऊ आहेत. व्हॉट डू दे डू इन द गार्डन? ते गार्डनमध्ये काय करत आहेत? दे प्लेड इन सनशाईन. सनशाईन मीन्स सूर्यप्रकाश. अँड डान्स. व्हॉट आर दे डुईंग? प्लेइंग अँड डान्सिंग अमंग द फ्लावर्स. व्हेअर दे आर डान्सिंग? कुठे डान्स करत आहेत? अमंग द फ्लावर्स. फ्लावर्समध्ये. अँड व्हेअर दे आर प्लेइंग? इन द सनशाईन. व्हेअर दिस बटरफ्लाय आर? इन द garden. Okay. One day it rained heavily and their wings became wet. What happened one day? It rained heavily. Heavily means मुसळधार पाऊस पडला. Rain heavily. And their wings became wet. Wings means पंख. These are their wings, colorful wings. Became wet. Wet means ओले, भिजणे. Because of this rain water, their wings become wet. They flew to the red and yellow striped tulips and said, "Dear tulips, will you please open your flower cups and let us in till the rain stops?" Here in this picture you can see these flowers. What are these flowers? These flowers of tulip. Have you seen tulips? In picture my dear, you have seen these tulips. These are the flowers of tulips. As there was rain, started heavily and the wings became wet. So this butterfly wanted to take shelter in the tulip's flower. So they came to the tulip. कोणाकडे आले ते? tulip flower कडे आले. And what they ask means विचारले. काय त्यांनी सांगितलं? काय म्हणाले? Please open your flower cups. This tulip is looking like a cup. Can you open your flower cups? Why they asked to open the flower cup? They wanted to come in that flower cup till the rain stops. पाऊस थांबेपर्यंत त्यांना ते तुलिपच्या फुलामध्ये राहायचं होतं. सो दे रिक्वेस्टेड. हाऊ दे रिक्वेस्ट? त्यांनी कशा प्रकारे विनंती केली? दे रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज ओपन युअर फ्लावर कप्स. Can you tell me what are the color of this tulip's flower? Red and yellow striped tulips. Red and yellow means लाल आणि पिवळ्या रंगाच्या पट्ट्या. स्ट्रिप्स मीन्स पट्ट्या असलेली तुलिपची फुलं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Let's see what the tulips answered. Turn the page. Come on, page number 54. The tulips answered that. Answer म्हणजे उत्तर दिले. काय उत्तर दिलं तुलिपच्या फुलांनी? The red and yellow butterflies may enter because they are like us. But the white one may not come in. Tulips flowers answered that only red and yellow, लाल आणि येलो रंगाचे butterflies can come inside them. Why? Because they are like us. ते आमच्यासारखे आहेत. लाल and red and yellow आमच्यासारखे आहेत. Because tulips color is also red and yellow. So they are looking like us. So they allow ते फक्त रेड आणि येलो बटरफ्लायज ना आपल्यामध्ये घ्यायला तयार झाले. पण व्हाईट वन मे नॉट कम इन. पण व्हाईट बटरफ्लायने आतमध्ये येता नाही असं त्यांनी सांगितलं. इज दॅट फेअर? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. So see what the red and yellow butterfly replied. The red and yellow butterfly said, if you won't allow our white brother into your flower cup, we too shall stay outside in the rain with him. जर तुम्ही आमच्या व्हाईट ब्रदरला तुमच्या फुलामध्ये घेतलं नाही तर आम्ही देखील पावसामध्ये असेच राहू. आम्ही सुद्धा येणार नाही. We also stay outside in the rain with him.